So it has been more than a year since I got my hands on a Vivo smartphone, and when they announced the Vivo X80 series, I knew that I really wanted to get this Vivo X80 Pro. And after using the phone for a week, here are 6 reasons why you should consider getting it right now, and stay till the end of this video as I'll let you know how you can get the Vivo X80 series from only 60 ringgit per month. So keep watching. Now before I go into the reasons to get the phone, let me go through the unboxing process. But before that, a huge disclaimer that this particular review unit comes with a media gift box, so it's not the exact package that you would get, so keep that in mind. So the media package box comes with a very huge size with an X logo in front, with the Vivo X80 series and co-engineered with Zeiss text below. Then there is a tab on the right to open the box cover easily. Once the box flap is open, there are 5 individual boxes marked with text, where firstly there's the An Elevated Day box, where in there you'll find the Ascenso coffee sachets and some Earl Grey tea from Twinings. Then at the Give Yourself a Break box, there's a nice Vivo X80 black color mug. Next, the A Continuous Connection box has the Vivo 50 watts vertical flash charger. Nice. Then the I Am Director box, you'll find a premium looking Vivo keychain. Below that, the box title for a midweek fulfillment has a tiny box of Eureka popcorn. And finally, you'll find a retail Vivo X80 Pro box over there and a movie-like ticket at the back. And this is to signify about Vivo Malaysia producing their short films since the Vivo X50 series until the X70 series, which I'll link all those short films at the description below in case you haven't seen it, where all of these films were all shot using the Vivo X series smartphone. Then taking a look at the retail box, there's the X80 Pro and the co-engineered with Zeiss text in front and the phone specs at the back of the box. Now opening the box, you'll immediately see the phone over there. Then below towards the right, there is a smaller box which has accessories that you could never imagine in year 2022, where firstly, there's the Vivo earphones and ear tips, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and an 80-watt flash charging adapter. Then towards the left, other than the sealing film for the phone spots, there's another smaller box which has the SIM ejector pin and a black premium looking hard plastic case. Like, wow guys, what an unboxing experience, right? Now as for reason number 1 is the amazing cinematic camera. So what do you get when you bring together a renowned optics specialist and a cutting-edge smartphone maker? Well, you get one hell of a smartphone with a pro-level imaging system, as the Vivo X80 Pro camera system has been co-engineered with Zeiss for a few years now, giving you a fantastic cinematic tool in your hands. Now there's so much to say about the phone, but first let's start with the camera system on the rear, which uses the Zeiss Vario Tessar optics with Zeiss T-Star coating lens. Now when it comes to the camera specs, first there is a 50 megapixel f1.57 portrait lens that comes with an added micro gimbal for a groundbreaking image stabilization. Then there's also a 48 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide lens, a 12 megapixel f1.85 50mm telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel f3.4 periscopic telephoto lens that is capable up to 5 times optical zoom and up to 60 times hyper zoom. And based on my quick test shots using all of the camera arrays, I love how real the images look with the Zeiss color mode turned on, where it produces a more realistic color instead of adding that crazy amount of saturation and the unnecessary sharpness that other smartphones tend to do. Now this optics also comes together nicely with Vivo's V1 Plus chipset, and the 50 megapixel ultra sensing GNV sensor produces impressive low light performance and details, and with the AI video enhancement, you can even see lots of details even under a very dark environment. Now what you'll also enjoy is the very unique Zeiss camera interface, which makes shooting a pleasing experience whether or not you're taking stills, videos, or even both. The UI is very easy to understand and simple to navigate around. Then the Zeiss Cinematic Video Bokeh feature creates a very unique bokeh shapes that you usually find on anamorphic lenses. And with that, it really raises the quality of your videos, and one could not even tell or even guess that it was shot on a smartphone. Now, what's also impressive is Vivo X80 Pro's active centering OIS system, which optimizes stabilization for each video frame as seen over here. And to push the stabilization further, there is also the 360-degree horizontal leveling stabilization, which is only found on certain action cameras like DJI's Osmo Action. And this gives you a super steady video even your whole world is shaking, or even upside down as well. Now, while the Vivo X80 Pro's key strength lies in the cinematic video, let's not forget about the amazing photographic capabilities as well, because if you love those delicious blurred backgrounds, then the collection of Zeiss bokeh filters will be your best friend, where you can just swipe through the Zeiss cinematic style bokeh like Biota, Cinematic, Sonar, Planner, Distagon, and other modes for that unique bokeh-licious look. Now, moving on, let's talk about the performance. Now, the Vivo X80 Pro packs with the top-of-the-line processor, the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, and of course, coupled with Vivo's V1 Plus chipset, which was customized by Vivo as mentioned earlier. With Qualcomm's best, you can expect a tip-top performance, especially silky smooth gaming, and of course, very good power efficiency. Now, the phone also comes with a generous 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of high-speed UFS 3.1 storage, which means there's ample amount of memory for multitasking or playing games like PUBG Mobile or even heavier games like Genshin Impact. And because of the high storage volume, you can store all that amazing cinematic videos and photos that you've taken without having any storage space anxiety. Next, let's talk about the battery life and the charging capabilities. Now, the Vivo X80 Pro comes with a built-in large 4700 mAh of battery, which ensures a whole day's worth of use. And based on my usage, I always got a great screen on time of 1.5 days, maybe just before 12 PM. However, with a heavy usage, especially on gaming and taking lots of videos, you may find the battery at low levels. But the good news is that charging the battery is crazy fast. It supports 80 watts flash charging as seen in the unboxing, where the charger comes inside of the box, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 11 minutes. Now, this means that you can plug your phone, take a nice hot shower in the morning, and once you're done, you have a fully juiced up phone. Now, for those of you who subscribe to the wireless lifestyle, the good news is that you're gonna love the 50 watts wireless flash charging, which gives you the option to charge quickly without having any wires. So that was really nice to know. Now, another reason to love the Vivo X80 Pro is the premium looking design. Now, as clearly seen, it has a really premium elegant look, and it has a very unique rectangular camera design, which is inspired by real cameras, where it comes with a single cosmic black option, and I must say that it looks really good and premium, and it also feels good in the hands with an excellent slim profile and a matte frosted finish. Now, the phone measures at 164.57 by 75.3 by 9.1 mm and weighs just at 219 grams, where it also features an IP68 dust and water resistant for that extra durability. So no worries about dust and water splashes, and of course the occasional dunking the phone in water too. As for reason number 5 has to be the biometrics or the fingerprint sensor, where you'll find the cutting-edge ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor on the Vivo X80 Pro not only unlocks the phone accurately and instantly, but also enables you to open your favorite apps, where for me is for YouTube and also Facebook as well, with just a tap from the lock screen. Now, the fingerprint sensor also has the dual fingerprint authentication that lets you to level up the security for apps with 2 touches. And registering your fingerprint is also a very unique experience, where you just need to tap your finger on the screen once just to register it, and that's it. And on top of that, it also works if your finger is wet, and the scanning area is really huge compared to any other smartphone ever. And there's also lots of customization as well, like choosing different animation styles and also icon patterns too. So yes, this has to be the best fingerprint sensor that I've ever experienced on any smartphone at this moment. And last but not least, if you're a music fan like me or love binge watching on Netflix or even playing game, then the dual speaker system on the Vivo X80 Pro will give you a fulfilling listening experience where the audio separation and the sound staging was really nice and wide too. And here's a quick sound test for several different audio playbacks. Alright, so those are my 6 reasons for you to consider getting the Vivo X80 Pro. And I have to say that just using the phone for only a week made my overall experience really great when I use it daily, and it is indeed a perfect companion for mobile videography and photography as well. Now, as mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you're living here in Malaysia, through the Maxis Postpaid 188 plan, you can own the Vivo X80 for only 60 ringgit per month, and this Vivo X80 Pro will be at 90 ringgit per month, where it comes with 110 gigabytes of data, unlimited calls and SMS, and up to 4 shared lines. Where with the Maxis Postpaid 98, the Vivo X80 goes for 90 ringgit per month, and the Vivo X80 Pro will be at 130 ringgit per month. And also worth mentioning is that the Vivo X80 Series is also available on Zevolution Maxis Postpaid Share 48, making it the lowest cost of ownership with the all-in monthly payment from only 145 ringgit. Now, on top of that, with any Vivo X80 series purchase from Maxis, also comes with free 3 months of phone theft and damage protection worth 99 ringgit for the X80 and 129 ringgit for the X80 Pro. And for more info on this, I will leave all the links in the description below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll see you in my next video.